In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can download and install CapCut on Windows. So for it, just go to your Windows search option and then you need to search for Microsoft Store. And here you can see Microsoft Store. Just click on it. And after opening the Microsoft Store, in the search option, you need to search for CapCut. And there you can see it is showing us CapCut. Just click on it. And there you can see CapCut is showing and we have an install option here. Just click on install and it will start downloading CapCut, and it is around 600 MB, so this will take some time. Right now I will just fast forward the video, and here you can see the download is complete. When the download is complete, it will automatically start installing CapCut. And there you can see the installation is complete. So right now we can just close this. And in the Windows search option, we can search for CapCut, and there you can see it is showing us CapCut. So right now we just need to click on it and it will open CapCut. So the first time when you are opening CapCut, it may take some time, and it says your computer can run CapCut smoothly. Just click on confirm and it will open CapCut. So this is how you can download and install CapCut on Windows. I hope this was useful. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.